Hey guys, welcome to my video. So guys, just when you think that winter is going to be over soon, you get something huge like this, which just makes you feel sad. You see the thickness of snow that has fallen. Here you see less because my car was parked here. But if you see at the corner, too bad. But luckily I have this electric snow shovel. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can handle such situations. We had like 9 degrees yesterday, so a lot of snow had melt, but again, because you can see some ice there at the corner, but now again because of this severe snowfall, situation is gonna worse, but I have to handle it. So I'm gonna finish the process in 3 steps. Step number 1, I'm gonna use snow shovel and I'll move all the thick layers of snow. Then I'm gonna use shovel to smoothen it, and then finally I'm gonna pour the salt. So let's begin with the step 1. So I had just a few runs and you can see it's cleaning very efficiently. But yes, you need to understand the wind direction, because if you do it opposite the wind direction, it's gonna fall back on you. Step number 1 is over, but you can see more snow has been accumulated. That's obvious because snowfall is still going on and with no sign of easing down. But yeah, most of the snow at the top level I have removed. Now I'm gonna use a shovel to remove it further, and then finally I'm gonna apply salt. So stay with me guys.